You've probably heard this before. Nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. Sounds like a boring rule, like a cosmic speed limit sign slapped onto the universe. But here's the strange thing. The universe didn't decide to limit speed. It didn't say, let's make light special. Light isn't fast because it's powerful. It's fast because everything else is slow. And by the end of this video, you'll see why the speed of light is not about light at all. It's about how reality is built. Not energy, not technology, not engines, but the deep wiring of space, time, and cause and effect itself. Let's start with the common idea. People imagine light as this incredibly fast thing, zooming across the universe at an insane speed, 300,000 kilometers per second. So the logic goes like this. Nothing can beat light because nothing has enough power. But that's wrong. Very wrong. If speed were just about power, we could build better engines, stronger rockets, more fuel. But no matter how hard you push, no matter how advanced the technology, you never reach the speed of light, not even close. And the reason isn't practical, it's fundamental. Richard Feynman loved asking annoying questions, the kind that sound simple but destroy your understanding. One such question is, what does speed even mean? Speed is distance divided by time, miles per hour, meters per second. So here's the real mystery. Why does anything have a maximum speed? Why isn't the universe like sound? Sound goes faster in steel than in air, slower in water. So why can't light just go faster in a better medium? Answer: because there is no medium. Light doesn't move through space. Light is something space does. Here's where things get uncomfortable. You think space and time are separate things. Space is where stuff is. Time is when stuff happens. But nature doesn't agree. In reality, space and time are fused together into one thing, space-time. And the speed of light is not a speed through space. It's a speed through space-time. Light moves at the maximum rate that cause can turn into effect, not because it's light, but because that rate is built into reality itself. Now comes the part that feels like science fiction, but isn't. If you move faster through space, you move slower through time. Not metaphorically, literally. Your clock ticks slower. Your atoms vibrate slower. Your aging slows down. Why? Because everything moves through space-time at the same total speed. You're always moving at the speed of light through space-time. If you're standing still in space, you're moving fully through time. If you move faster through space, you must move slower through time. Light doesn't experience time at all. For a photon, emission and absorption happen at the same instant. Zero time passes. Here's the cruel joke of the universe. As you approach the speed of light, your mass increases. Your time slows. Your energy requirement explodes toward infinity. To reach light speed, you'd need infinite energy. Not a lot of energy. Not ridiculous energy. Infinite. And infinite things don't exist in physics. So the universe isn't stopping you. Reality simply has no room for you at that speed. This is the twist most people miss. Light isn't fast because it's light. Light is light because it travels at that speed. Anything with zero rest mass travels at the same speed. Photons, gravitational waves, even hypothetical particles. The speed of light is really the speed of causality, the speed at which reality updates itself. People ask, what about warp drives? What about wormholes? What about quantum entanglement? Here's the key. You can bend space. You can shortcut space. But you cannot transmit information faster than light through space-time. Nature protects causality like a sacred law. Break it, and time paradoxes destroy reality. The universe isn't slow, it's careful. So now we arrive at the real answer. The speed of light is not a technological limit, not an energy limit, not even a particle limit. It's a logical limit. It's the maximum speed at which the universe can remain consistent. Beyond it, cause would follow effect. Tomorrow would influence yesterday. Reality would collapse into contradiction. The speed of light is the speed at which the universe makes sense. Feynman once said, "Nature uses only the longest threads to weave her patterns." The speed of light is one of those threads, not because light is special, but because reality is. And once you see that, you don't see speed the same way ever again. If you enjoyed this kind of deep, mind-expanding physics, like the video, subscribe, and remember, the universe isn't stranger than we imagine, it's stranger than we can imagine.